Hello, listeners. This is your favorite Ganti Srihari Ramgopal reading out the story Cleverer of the Two from Chandamama. Lakshman was a money lender. Sundar once took a loan from him but never repaid the amount when the period was over. Lakshman tried his level best but he could not collect the money from Sundar. The zamindar of the place was in need of an accounts writer. He knew Lakshman very well and so he asked him to find a reliable person for the job. Two young men, Ganapati and Pasupati, came to know of the vacancy and approached Lakshman for a recommendation. Your main job is to collect revenues due to the zamindar, Lakshman told them. This you must do very promptly. People are of different nature. Some may have money, but they will be reluctant to pay the dues. Some others may not have the money to spare at all. You have to tackle them diplomatically and discreetly. The two listened to him intently and accepted the terms. Lakshman then continued, You know Sundar, don't you? He took a loan from me some time ago. The amount with interest has come to 1,000 rupees. For almost a year, I have been trying to collect the amount. He is refusing to pay back the loan. Whoever succeeds in collecting the amount from him will be recommended to the zamindar for the post of accountant. All right, we will try our hand, agreed the young men and set out. 2 days they toiled, but Sundar was adamant. They went back to Lakshman. Sir, I don't think I can collect the amount, wailed Ganapati. It looks as though it is easier to draw out a thread from a piece of stone. Lakshman turned to Pasupati, who was smiling. Sir, I have succeeded in collecting the amount from Sundar. Here's your 1,000 rupees. Lakshman could not believe his eyes, though he was actually holding 1,000 rupees in his hand. Pasupati, you're really clever. I shall recommend your name to the zamindar. You may join duty tomorrow. Ganapati and Pasupati paid their respects to Lakshman and went out. On the way, Ganapati asked Pasupati how he managed to collect the money from the recalcitrant Sundar. What magic did you employ to persuade that man to part with his money? Oh, I played a trick, explained Pasupati. I promised him a loan of 2,000 rupees and I got a promissory note from him for that amount. I then gave him 1,000 rupees and paid the other 1,000 to Lakshman, who got back his money. All right, remarked Ganapati, but how are you going to collect your 2,000 rupees? Pasupati smiled. I have taken care of that. I am not such a simpleton. I have already found out how much Sundar owes the zamindar and how much he is in arrears. Moreover, there is already a dispute between the zamindar and Sundar about a property. The zamindar had taken him to court and the case had dragged on. Sundar has been fined, but he is yet to pay the fine. He had offered one excuse after another, but the court did not accept any of them. He is a defaulter in the court also. When I become the zamindar's accountant, I will send him a notice and warn him of the consequences if he doesn't pay every pie. I can then force him to pay back my 2,000 rupees. You're really cleverer than I, Pasupati. Ganapati complimented him. I'm sure you'll be a successful accountant. I have no doubt whatsoever.